Imagine if you could achieve 5 years worth of progress in just one. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. In this video, we're going to explore 9 powerful strategies that can help you accelerate your success. Pick one goal and obsess over it. The key to rapid progress is laser-sharp focus. Choose one goal, make it your obsession, and believe in its achievability. Write it down, visualize it daily, and let it guide your every decision. Find a mentor or role model. Learn from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Study their strategies, learn from their mistakes, and follow in their footsteps. A mentor can provide invaluable guidance and support. 3. Double your daily effort. This might sound counterintuitive, but doubling your effort can lead to exponential results. By working harder and smarter, you'll increase your productivity, reduce distractions, and accelerate your learning. 4. Understand your motivation. What drives you? What are you running from and towards? Having a clear understanding of your motivations can fuel your determination and keep you focused on your goals. 5. Plan your day the night before. Start your day with a clear plan. This helps reduce decision fatigue and ensures you're focused on the most important tasks. Use techniques like time blocking to allocate specific time slots for different activities. 6. Prioritize action over perfection. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before you start. Take action, learn from your mistakes, and iterate. Remember, done is better than perfect. 7. Limit distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. Minimize distractions by limiting your time on social media, turning off notifications, and creating a dedicated workspace. 8. Invest in yourself. Don't be afraid to invest in your growth. Whether it's hiring a coach, taking a course, or attending a conference, investing in your development can accelerate your progress. 9. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with can significantly impact your mindset and motivation. Seek out positive, driven individuals who can inspire and support you. Achieving rapid progress requires a combination of focus, discipline, and strategic thinking. By implementing these 9 strategies, you can overcome obstacles, accelerate your growth, and achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Remember, the journey to success is not always linear. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. But with perseverance and the right mindset, you can achieve extraordinary results. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on personal and professional development. Leave a comment sharing your biggest takeaway from this video. Share this video with someone who could benefit from it.